Hello everyone, Jabenda here. In today's video I want to introduce you a Dutch lock, Nemef NF2. It's a 6-pin tumbler with 6 pins inside. Nothing fancy and nothing unusual. Here we have the key, so beating is quite high. Lock is working well. Keyway is pretty open. This lock is very fun for pick and quite tricky because feedback is really not clear. So I will show you internals for a moment and we take a look closer on this. For picking I will be using this custom pick, this hook and multi-pick tensioner SP14. Okay, so let's go to the internals. Alright, so we have all internals from the Nemef NF2. As you can see, here we have housing, nothing special, only driver pins, chambers, and here we have our core. Nothing special in here, but you can maybe it will be visible, yeah, right now. On each keeping chamber we have little step, and this little step is for keepings. All these keepings looks like that. They are some kind of maybe some tipping or something like that. Oops, sorry. Some of these keepings have little serrated section, and yeah, they look like that. All key pins are heavily tapered. Give me some focus. No, I cannot show you this. Yeah, now you can see tapering to the bottom of this key pin. As a driver we have spools. As you can see, they are also pretty heavy tapered, and pins looks like this is, I don't know, double serrated or something like that. They are heavily tapered as well. So this weird barrel we have in a second, third and sixth chamber. Spools we have on first, third and fifth chambers. All pins are tapered, as I said, so we need to come back to each pin multiple times. Here we have the key, that how it looks, the beating, 6 cuts, very high. So that's all from internals. Let's go to pick. Good, so we have our Nemef in a vise. So let's pick it. Clockwise tension, pretty heavy. pin number 5 is binding at first. Okay, now it will be 6. Okay, 1 is loose, binding on 2, level quick. Now on 3 is binding. Okay, number 4. Okay, number 1 is binding again. Something was dropped. So click on number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Okay, number 2, and we have open. Okay, so let's cut this nice and tricky lock. Okay, and drivers. One spring is inside. I will remove them forward. Spring number 6. Okay, that was Nemef NF2. I hope you I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and be good. Cheers.